Are your tomato plants dying and you don't know why? You water them and give them sunlight, but they still look weak or yellow. Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple mistakes that might be killing your tomato plants and how to fix them easily. Tomatoes are one of the easiest plants to grow, but only if you follow the right steps. Many beginners make small mistakes, and those mistakes slowly kill the plant. Let's go step by step and address them. Mistake 1. Too much water. One of the biggest mistakes is giving too much water. Yes, plants need water, but too much water can actually kill them. If the soil is always wet, the roots can't breathe. And when roots can't breathe, the plant starts to die. What to do? Check the soil with your finger. If the top part feels dry, then water it. If it's still wet, wait. Mistake 2. Not enough sunlight. Tomato plants love sunlight. Without enough sun, they grow weak and slow. You might see long, thin stems and very few tomatoes. What to do? Give your plant at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. A sunny balcony or window works great. Mistake 3. Bad soil. Not all soil is good for tomatoes. If your soil is too hard or has no nutrients, your plant won't grow well. What to do? Use soft, well-draining soil. You can mix compost or organic fertilizer to make it richer. Mistake 4. Watering the leaves. Many people water the whole plant, including the leaves. This can cause disease and fungus. What to do? Always water at the base of the plant. Try to keep the leaves dry. Mistake 5. Ignoring pests. Sometimes the problem is not water or sunlight. It's tiny insects you can't see easily. They slowly damage your plant. What to do? Check your plant regularly. If you see small bugs, use neem oil or soapy water to remove them. Give your plant some space. If they are too close together, air can't move properly, and diseases spread faster. If you fix these simple mistakes, your tomato plants will grow healthier and stronger. And you'll get more fresh tomatoes at home. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more easy gardening tips.